IOA suspension and then the suspension of the Indian Boxing Federation, a national shame. But finally the government has jumped into action, de-recognizing the Archery Association of India and the Indian Amateur Boxing Federation, both paid for violating the sports code. But that is just the tip of the iceberg. The ministry says that there is more cleaning up to do. Speaking exclusively to NewsX, Sports Minister Jitendra Singh says expect more suspensions.
Absolutely, you might see one or two more happening in the future. Let's see, maybe we are going through all associations which have not considered, have not kept the sports code in the constitution. Those will definitely have to be recognized.
Sources close to NewsX confirm that it is the Athletics Federation of India which could be next in line. The sports fraternity is glad that the Sports Ministry has finally taken some action.
I think it's the right time to look at it because quite a few things have been happening in the last couple of days and there's been a lot of celebration going on by the gate crashers. So what really needs to be done is get more sportsmen involved so that this muck could be removed and you have fresh faces who can take care of the Indian sport, and the Indian sportsmen can take a sigh of relief because they would feel that there is somebody who's going to be taking care of their interest, and then they can practice and win some laurels for the country.
One thing is there that what they are doing now, maybe new sports minister is very proactive, so that's why he's taking all these decisions. But then he must realize that banning these federations, before that he should think about BCCI also. They are getting all the benefits of sports, they are getting all the stadiums, facilities, and it is a C category game as per a sports ministry list. They have a rule, if less than 20 countries are playing, then it is a C category game. So first they should impose all the rules and regulations in the BCCI, on BCCI, then only they should think about other federation.
Better late than never. They've destroyed sport to a level where we have made a fool of ourselves in the face of the world, and now they are starting to work up. The government has been giving these federations funds to run the sport and they have been misutilizing it. Only when there was a Commonwealth Games, they realized scams. Scams are going on every national athletic meet or every national meet, and no one is bothered. So it comes to a point where people have become so brazen and we had to disgrace ourselves in front of the world. It's a shame. Better late than never. That's all one can say.
Voices once again demand that it is time that a sports bill is pressed into action. It may still take time, but sport officials better beware. The cleansing of sports in India has well and truly begun.